A shape in the distance. An outline of a door. Do you see it?
No, listen. You must wait for me. I'll be there soon. Do not go towards that door without me.
Whichever way I turn, the door is straight ahead. I'm getting nearer. It's ancient. The colour of twilight, made of knotted wood. Oh. No, it's a liquid. Or both at the same time. And the frame. It squirms all about. And there's no doorknob. Only a shape at the center. The shape of an eye. The stairs here go every direction at once. Otto, if only you could see it. More stars. Constellations and rings around the pulsing red moon. No. Not a moon. Not stars either. They're all eyes too. Every size and shape you could imagine. Watchful, shimmering, blinking, their light dripping down into the dark mist. I feel them looking at me, into me. And they like what they see.
Don't let the door close.